Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Ikambayaki Ahmadani and it is 0719012112. I was born in Sidoarjo 23 November 2001. My father worked as entrepreneur in Surabaya and my mom is housewife. I'm the second child of two siblings. My hobby is play football and play games. I live on General S. Parman Street, Gang 4A, number 5, Waru Sidoarjo. I want to explain the study program that I took, one of which is about warehousing. Warehousing is a place to store goods or production in quantities and a certain time span, which they distribute to the target location based on demands. The target and objective of warehousing are for speed, efficiency, effective reliability. The purpose of speed is to speed delivery to the market and meet change demands. An important issue that management use as a competitive strategy. The goal of efficiency of the supply chain to be measured and improved continuously by the continuous improvement team from various units. Objective effective that allow customer or use to get the company's product easily. The purpose of reliability is the reliability of information, communication, and execution so that all functions work properly. The role of the warehouse is to store goods temporarily before further processing or to anticipate rising demand. Monitoring the movement of goods and status. The function of warehouse is to facilitate the movement of inventory from arrival or inbound to delivery by transportation process through bulk consolidation or merging and cross-docking or transit area, facilitating reliable and efficient delivery of goods to customer. On provide security for inventory handling itself. The warehouse is divided into three, namely the general warehouse, and bonded warehouse. As for the challenge in warehouse are, number 1, are fulfilling every order properly. Number 2, reducing warehouse processing costs. Number 3, availability or of labor including contract and contract status. There are several measuring tools for warehouse efficiency. Number 1, floor capacity. Number 2, total warehouse floor area. Number 3, floor area use. Number 4, stowage factor. Number 5, broken stowage. Number 6, stacking height. Number 7, stacking factor. Number 8, and other. As for 6 is concept support. 1 is speed. 2 is space. 3 is specification. 4 is safety. 5 is security. And 6 is situation. Information system are need our warehousing with the aim of providing accurate information for making decisions regarding the number and types of goods or the capital value of goods in the warehouse. The advantage of an accurate information system is, number 1, can detect the location of storage and retrieval of goods so that the storage and retrieval process of goods is more effective. Number 2, can detect the status of goods that have an expired period not to be stored too badly. I think that's enough about the explanation of warehousing. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.